Are getting some breaking news. DY Chandrachud has given his final verdict as the Chief Justice of India. The final verdict says that bulldozer justice is unacceptable. Such high-handedness can't be permitted. In fact, it goes on to say that bulldozer justice non-existent in civilized societies. Now, Supreme Court has ordered compensation for journalists. UP government has to pay 25 lakh compensation to the journalists. Journalists' property was demolished for road work. In fact, my colleague Harish is now joining us with more details on the final verdict that has been given by CJI DY Chandrachud. Harish, over to you.
Yes, good morning. Yes, that's significance in his last judgment uploaded, in fact, on the retirement eve. The Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud has slammed, in fact, banned and prohibited illegal bulldozer actions on properties across the country. Remember, he's retiring today. The bench led by him ruled that justice through bulldozers is unknown to any civilized system of jurisprudence and is simply unacceptable under the rule of law. The bench also said that such high-handed unilateral actions by government cannot be countenanced, tolerated. And significantly, the bench asked the Yogi government to pay rupees 25 lakh compensation to a journalist, Manoj Tibriwal, whose house in Maharajganj district of UP was demolished in 2019 for road widening. The journalist had told court his home was demolished as a reprisal after he reported on some wrongdoing by the government in relation to this construction of the particular road. And reacting to it, the Chief Justice Chandrachud said, citizens' voices can't be throttled by threat of destroying properties, as ultimate security which a human being possesses is home. The court said state must follow due process of law before taking action to remove encroachments, and such action violates citizens' right to property. Importantly, the court also said the officials of the state who carry out or sanction such unlawful action must be proceeded against for disciplinary action, and holding that there are municipal laws and town planning legislation which contain adequate provisions for dealing with such illegal encroachments. The Supreme Court said Article 300A of the Constitution says that no person shall be deprived of his property save by authority of law. The Supreme Court bench has also significantly laid down guidelines authorities should follow before acting against encroachments in road widening project. The bench said the Registrar Judicial of the Supreme Court shall circulate a copy of its judgment to the Chief Secretaries of all states and union territories to ensure compliance with the directions issued with regard to the procedure to be followed for the purpose of road widening in general. So the big takeaway is that in his final last judgment before retirement,
All
Chief
right.
Justice of India has slammed, prohibited illegal bulldozer actions on properties. It's a very, very sensitive, controversial political issue too. Back to you.
All right, Harish, thank you for all those details and for that context.